door handle removal, a BMW 535i Xdrive. I'm pretty sure a lot of other BMWs have the same door handle and same type of access and way to get them removed. So let's get started. First, remove this rubber gasket, and basically the whole handle is connected by this one screw over here. It's right there. I think it's a T15. Yep, T15. So get it unscrewed. It doesn't remove completely, just unscrew it and then gently pry out the handle. Once you get it off, it's connected by two sets of clips, two sets of wires. One is for the actual comfort access and the other one is for the actual light. Get those removed gently and then you can replace door handle, and putting it back together is pretty simple. Just put it back on and you tighten the screw back on. Now you also have an option. If you didn't order the right color, you can remove the top cover of the handle. This is how it looks. That goes over the actual handle. So this is after it's being removed. So you can remove that one and put your original color that was on the car. So basically, I guess if you order aftermarket or the color is not correct, you can just swap them. The way you do that is right here. I'm gonna show you on this one better. There's a screw. So it's a T, if I'm not mistaken, it's a T7. Yes, it's a T7 screw. You get that one removed. It's right there. You get that one removed, and then the handle slowly pry it out, and it gets out, and then you can easily replace it.